Throw away your selfish nature. Part 2. Make an effort to understand and respect other people's feelings, needs, and perspectives. Practice feeling empathy by imagining yourself in their shoes. Trying to see the situation from the other person's point of view can help you focus less on yourself. Establish an attitude of volunteering and sharing with others. Give your time, attention, or resources to help others without expecting anything in return or praise. Contribute to the community or group you are voluntarily involved in and help in achieving common goals. Thanks for watching. I hope this is useful.